As a coffee enthusiast, I recently had the opportunity to try out the Café specialty drip coffee maker, and I must say, it's quite an impressive machine. This sleek and sophisticated coffee maker has caught my eye with its beautiful design and promise of delivering barista-quality coffee at home. Let me share my experience and thoughts on this high-end drip coffee maker. Design and build quality. As I mentioned earlier, the Café specialty drip coffee maker is a stunning piece of kitchen equipment. The more I use it, the more I appreciate its thoughtful design. The matte white finish I chose has a luxurious, almost velvety texture that's resistant to fingerprints and smudges. This is a practical feature I've come to appreciate, as it keeps the machine looking pristine even with daily use. The control panel is sleek and modern, featuring a crisp LED display that's easy to read even in low light conditions. The buttons have a satisfying tactile feel, providing clear feedback when pressed. I've noticed that the layout is intuitive, with frequently used functions like brew strength and cup size easily accessible. One design element that particularly impresses me is the precision pour spout on the carafe. It allows for a clean, drip-free pour every time, which is a small but significant improvement over my previous coffee maker. The handle of the carafe is ergonomically designed and comfortable to hold, even when the carafe is full. Features and functionality. What really sets the Café specialty drip coffee maker apart is its impressive array of features. As someone who loves to experiment with different brewing parameters, I was thrilled to discover the level of control this machine offers. Temperature control. One of my favorite features is the ability to adjust the brewing temperature. The Café allows me to set the temperature anywhere between 185 degrees Fahrenheit and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of precision is crucial for extracting the best flavors from different types of coffee beans and roasts. I found that lighter roasts tend to shine at higher temperatures, while darker roasts benefit from slightly lower temperatures. Brew strength options. The Café offers 4 different brew strength options: light, medium, bold, and gold. I appreciate the flexibility this provides, allowing me to tailor the coffee to my mood or the preferences of my guests. The gold setting, which adheres to the Specialty Coffee Association's SCA Golden Cup standard, has become my go-to for a consistently excellent cup of coffee. Programmability and smart features. As someone who values convenience, I'm impressed by the programmability of this coffee maker. I can set it to brew automatically at a specific time, ensuring that I wake up to freshly brewed coffee every morning. What's more, the Café is Wi-Fi enabled and works with the Smart app, Alexa, and Google Assistant. This means I can control the coffee maker with voice commands or from my smartphone, which is particularly handy when I'm in a rush or feeling lazy. Capacity and carafe options. The Café specialty drip coffee maker can brew up to 10 cups, 45 ounces, of coffee at a time, which is perfect for my household and when entertaining guests. It comes with a choice of either a glass carafe or a thermal carafe. I opted for the thermal carafe, which does an excellent job of keeping the coffee hot for hours without the need for a warming plate. Brewing performance. The more I use this coffee maker, the more impressed I am with its brewing performance. I've experimented with various types of coffee beans, from light Ethiopian roasts to dark French roasts, and the Café consistently brings out the best in each. One aspect I've come to appreciate is how the machine handles different grind sizes. While it performs best with a medium grind, I've found it to be quite forgiving. Even when I've accidentally ground my beans a bit too fine or coarse, the Café still manages to produce a decent cup of coffee. This versatility is particularly useful when trying new beans or experimenting with different grind settings. The temperature stability during brewing is remarkable. Using an external thermometer, I verified that the water temperature remains consistent throughout the entire brewing process. This stability is crucial for proper extraction and is one of the reasons why the coffee from this machine tastes so good. I've also noticed that the coffee has a cleaner taste compared to my old drip machine. I attribute this to the carbon water filter that comes with the Café. It effectively removes chlorine and other impurities from the water, resulting in a pure taste that allows the coffee's flavors to shine through. Ease of use and cleaning. Despite its advanced features, I find the Café specialty drip coffee maker surprisingly easy to use. The interface is intuitive, with a clear digital display and well-labeled buttons. The water reservoir is easy to fill, though I do wish it were removable for easier cleaning. Cleaning is relatively straightforward, although it's worth noting that the parts are not dishwasher safe. The coffee maker includes a descaling feature, which helps maintain its performance over time. Smart features and connectivity. The Wi-Fi connectivity and smart features of the Café have proven to be more than just a gimmick. I've found myself using the Smart app quite frequently, especially when I want to start brewing before I get out of bed. The app is well designed and user-friendly, allowing me to adjust all settings remotely. One particularly useful feature is the ability to receive notifications when the brewing cycle is complete or when it's time to descale the machine. This helps ensure that I'm always drinking fresh coffee and maintaining the machine properly. The integration with Alexa has been seamless. I've set up routines where saying "Alexa, good morning" triggers the coffee maker to start brewing along with other morning tasks like turning on lights and reading the news. It's a small luxury that makes my mornings feel a bit more futuristic and efficient. Sustainability considerations. As someone who's conscious about environmental impact, I appreciate that the Café comes with a reusable titanium-plated filter. While paper filters are still an option, I've been using the reusable filter exclusively. Not only does this reduce waste, but I've also noticed that it allows more of the coffee's natural oils to pass through, resulting in a richer cup of coffee. The machine's energy efficiency is also worth noting. It has an auto-off feature that can be programmed to shut down the machine after a set period of inactivity. This helps conserve energy and provides peace of mind if I forget to turn it off manually. Maintenance and longevity. After several months of use, I can speak to the machine's durability and ease of maintenance. The descaling process, which I perform monthly, is straightforward and guided by clear instructions on the display. I've noticed that regular descaling has helped maintain the machine's performance and the quality of the coffee. One minor inconvenience I've encountered is cleaning the shower head. While it's not difficult, it does require a bit of effort to ensure all the small holes are clear of coffee residue. I found that using a soft brush every few weeks helps prevent any buildup. Comparison with other high-end drip coffee makers. Having previously owned a Technivore Moccamaster, I can say that the Café specialty drip coffee maker holds its own against this well-respected brand. While the Moccamaster is known for its simplicity and reliability, I find that the Café offers more control over the brewing process and produces coffee that's just as good, if not better. Compared to the Breville Precision Brewer, another popular high-end drip machine, the Café has a slight edge in terms of design aesthetics and smart features. However, the Breville does offer a few more brewing modes, which might appeal to coffee enthusiasts who enjoy experimenting with different techniques. Value proposition. While the initial cost of the Café specialty drip coffee maker is significant, I've found that it has actually saved me money in the long run. The quality of coffee it produces has significantly reduced my visits to local coffee shops. I've calculated that the machine essentially paid for itself within the first year through these savings. Moreover, the ability to fine-tune the brewing process has allowed me to get the most out of my coffee beans, including some higher-end single-origin coffees that I previously found challenging to brew properly with a standard drip machine. So, should you buy it? After extended use, my appreciation for the Café specialty drip coffee maker has only grown. It has not only improved the quality of my daily coffee, but has also deepened my understanding and appreciation of the brewing process. The combination of precision brewing, customizable settings, and smart features makes this machine stand out in the crowded coffee maker market. While it may be more machine than some casual coffee drinkers need, for enthusiasts or anyone looking to elevate their home coffee experience, the Café specialty drip coffee maker is a worthy investment. In conclusion, this coffee maker has become an integral part of my daily routine. It's more than just an appliance, it's a tool that has enhanced my coffee ritual and consistently delivers a Café quality experience in the comfort of my home. Despite a few minor drawbacks, the Café specialty drip coffee maker has exceeded my expectations and continues to impress me with each brew.